Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Solve, where we try to solve your tech related queries. So today I am going to show you how to log into Commonwealth Bank Australia. So at first open any web browser application on your device. As I am using Google Chrome for this video, I will simply open it. After opening the web browser application, go to the search bar and search for commbank.com.au. After pressing the enter button, then it will lead you to the Commonwealth Australia homepage. At the top right corner, you will see the logon button. Simply tap on it. After tapping on logon button, you will see the three options: NetBank logon, CommBase logon, CommSec logon. Choose the suitable option. It will lead you to the login page where you have to write the client number and the password. After writing the client number and password, you can click on this button to remember your client number default by your device. Or if you are using the shared device, I recommend you not to use it. After filling the information, click on the login button. Then you will be successfully logged into the Commonwealth Bank of Australia. So that's all for today. Hope you liked our video and stay tuned for our next video. Do not forget to hit that like button. Thank you.